In today's video, I'm going to show you how to control your home appliances via your phone. So keep watching. Alright, so we are gonna need an Arduino, a Bluetooth module and a relay shield. Well, in my case, I have made a standalone Arduino with Atmega 328P PV. You can use any Arduino like Arduino Uno, Nano or Mini, anyone. So for the circuit, you have to connect everything as shown. You can pause the video. You can also find the circuit diagram below. You can find the program below in the description. I have connected these copper wires to the relay shield and then soldered these male header wires. Now before you start connecting the relay shield with the switches, I may warn you about one thing. If you do not switch off the MCBs, then you are gonna die, and I am not responsible for that, so be aware of that. So for connecting the relay shield with the switches, you need a thick wire. Now for the phone part, you need to install an app named as Arduino Bluetooth Control. So now search for the command buttons configuration. Then just configure the buttons. In my case it was E, F and H, as they turned on lights and fans in my room. Wait, there is one more thing that you are gonna need. That is a 5V power supply. As in this picture you can see, I have connected it to my standalone Arduino. Press the like button if you like the video and dislike button if you didn't like the video, and please hit the subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching. Bye.